cream and all those
The same is true with those things. They're suboptimal it's not the only reason, but if for nothing else, because it's cold, your body's going to use energy to warm itself back up. I'll eat it sometimes though. It's a wonderful treat. How many of you have never had banana ice cream? Never had it. Okay. Everyone else has. Okay. Yeah. Cool. Cool. Well, for those people that haven't had it, depending on the machine, I like to use we have a Champion juicer and we have a Vitamix, and I like the Champion consistency better, but it comes out like frozen custard. It's amazing. It's like soft serve ice cream, but it's just bananas. I was once at a health fair with a little booth. We sold little cups of banana ice cream for $1, and people would be like, "That's good. What's in it?" You say bananas, and they're like, "Well, obviously, but what else? Cream, sugar, what? Just bananas." It's amazing. We mix it with other fruits, and half bananas, half strawberries, strawberry ice cream. You want the bananas for the creaminess? It's amazing. So years ago, I was coaching a woman. Wasn't fasting with me, just getting coaching every month. And one month we met, and I told her about banana. She had a Champion juicer. I said, "Do you know about banana ice cream?" She said, "No." I said, "Well, take bananas, peel them, put them in a plastic bag, a Ziploc bag, in the freezer, and then when they're frozen solid, run them through the Champion with the homogenizer blank, and you'll have banana ice cream." So I talked to her a month later. I see her a month later. We'd meet in person every month. And I see her a month later, and I said, "How are you doing?" She said, "I'm doing great." She said, "I've had banana ice cream every night for dinner." I said, "Okay, I apologize. I failed to point out that it's not really optimal." So it's a fun snack sometimes, every once in a while, a treat, but not something you want to do every single day. Why not? Aside from the temperature issue, what other issues do you have? Have you ever taken a bag of maybe like had the power go out, and you see that your frozen fruit, if you have like frozen berries in the freezer, what happens to them when they thaw out? It's all mush, isn't it? Why does that happen? Well, fruit's mostly water. And when you freeze fruit, the water in the cells freezes, becomes ice crystals, and they rupture all the cell membranes. Okay? And so what happens is you have oxidation of all the nutrients. You have a lot of oxidation because you've ruptured all the membranes that protect those nutrients. Okay? I mean, I don't think anybody would really want to eat that thawed out frozen fruit because it's the consistency is kind of gnarly, right? But if it's frozen and you run it through the machine, you have a nice treat. Good to know. Question? No. Okay. Other questions about that? Hey, thanks for watching. If you're interested in more information about fasting in general, we've got a playlist there. If you're interested in fasting for specific conditions, you can check out that list. If you want to hear what people's experience was in their own words, we've got a group there, and then we've got another one which is all about optimal diet and how to maximize your health.